Most people think this is just lemon chicken. It's not. The egg dip changes everything. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today a classic, restaurant classic at home. We are making chicken francese with a lemon butter sauce. So it's just so simple. The dip, the egg dip brings this together. It's so quick, it's so easy, it's delicious. Serve over mashed potatoes, green beans, anything. Come on, let's get on. Now we've got a couple of eggs in here. We're going to give those a beat up now and then they can just stand a minute while we do the chicken. Chicken, we are just going to use chicken breast, boneless, skinless, because I've taken the skin off. And we are going to cut in half. I'm going to put a glove on. You don't have to, it's up to you. Chicken breast, there you go. It's massive. We're not going to flatten it. We're not going to do anything other than that. So now we've got two chicken breasts, or two parts of a chicken breast. This is slightly misshapen and all the rest of it because it's got that tenderloin bit or whatever you want to call it there. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to do the same with this one. Beautiful. Okay, we've got a little tray here. What we're going to do is season our chicken. Never season the flour. Well, I'm not going to say never. Sometimes we do, but it's not worth it usually. We want the seasoning on the chicken. It's a bog standard seasoning. It's salt and pepper. Now, I can tell you a little restaurant trick which does work. A little bit of chicken powder, but you've got to be careful because chicken powder can be a bit strong for this dish, a little bit of overpowering, but it does work really, really well. It contains salt. It's got MSG in there as well. Up to you. So let's just flip those. And let's season up this side. So what we're going to do is make our chicken first, and then we are going to make the lemon sauce. Bring in some flour. Now, the egg dip is the most important bit about this recipe. Apart from, I flavour it up with a lemon, obviously. We are going to take the chicken in the flour, in the egg dip. And we're just going to chuck it back on here because it's raw anyway. Okay, what does this do? It traps the seasoning on the chicken. And obviously it's going to help the egg stick to it. Okay. So let's just do that a second. So a little shake in the egg. And that can rest there just a second. Okay, get a pan on. There we go. In there, olive oil. Now we want enough to shallow fry this dish and make a sauce. And I'm going in there with some butter. And we want a flame on. Nice and steady. Now this wants to be at about a medium heat because we're only frying off the egg and cooking the chicken slowly. As you can see, it's not hot at all. Okay, we're going in there. Nice little gentle cook. And yes, you can flip it a couple of times. Do not worry about it. So we have a little setting up on that side. Okay, we're going to flip this a couple of times. It's entirely up to you. But we want a decent little cook on the chicken and a nice little golden crust. So come on. We need the chicken to be cooked through. I'm just going to zest me a lemon while we're waiting. What about that? Oh, I don't know. Now they say it's only 3 or 4 minutes on each side, but you know, cook it to how you want. If it takes you 5 minutes, it takes you 5 minutes. Okay, when you've got a nice little bit of golden colour on there like that, chicken out. We got all those pan goodness in there, look. Get your garlic in. Nice little sizzle whizzle in there. Some wine. About that much. Give your pan a little scrape. Now it doesn't want scraping, but we're just going to bring that off the bottom. Oh, there you go. So just give this about 2 minutes. Reduce it a little bit, let it cook off in there. That's going to cook the alcohol off. There you go, that's reduced. So we want to be going in there with some stock. In we go. And we want to be going in there with lemon juice. Oh, we're going to have a decent amount of sauce here, look, I reckon. So we're going to give that a cook in, nice and steady. Now this is going to be a good 5 minutes on here. We want to thicken this slightly, reduce it down, bring all those flavours together. Okay, lower your heat down. And we want to go in there with a couple of tablespoons of butter. In it goes. Give that a nice little sizzle whizzle in there. Nice and slow and low. We don't rush this. Just melt that in. Give us a nice buttery sauce. In there, lemon zest. A little stir around. In there, parsley. Nice little cook in there. Only a couple of minutes this. Okay, put your chicken back in there. That's going to reheat from the bottom. Now it's only a couple of minutes because this chicken is not cold. And then we're going to serve it up. Okay, when you've got a reasonable thick sauce, we're not trying to get it too thick. It's got to run over this. Okay, that's glossy enough. Let's serve. On there, mashed potato. On there, a little bit of chicken. On there, our lemon sauce. And a little bit of parsley. There you go, that's our restaurant style chicken francese with our lemon butter sauce. Come on, there's no more for it but to get in here. We've got this lovely sauce, look at this. Buttery. In here on this chicken. Straight in there. Let's have a look. Oh, look how lush that is. Oh, come on. Oh, anticipation of that lemon smacking in there. Oh, mouth is dribbling. Oh, man. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, that is sensational. That is sensational. Let's get through this really thick bit of chicken. Oh, look how moist that is. Come on, that is fantastic. Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh, that is off the charts. That is sensational. You got that sourness there from that lemon kicking in there with that bit of seasoning. Serve it over some mashed potatoes. There you go. If you've had chicken francese before, let me know, what did you think of it? You might not like it. Lovely basic sauce, a basic cook on the chicken, dredge it in flour and the egg. The egg dip is the important thing. This is one of those dishes before all those breadcrumbs were added and all the rest of it. Superb. If you like what we're doing, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make chicken francese. It's a classic dish, worth knowing. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. Amazing.